Hi, I'm Scott Collins, an elder law attorney here in Richmond, Kentucky. And I've been asked a few questions that come up often, and I want to give a little time to the simple question of what do I need to know before I go see a Medicaid planning attorney? I'd say the very first thing you need to know is a little bit about that attorney or that law firm. You don't want somebody that dabbles. The question would be, I'd ask them, do you do this exclusively? What other kinds of cases do you handle? If they're doing divorce and personal injury, car accidents, speeding tickets, things like that, that's not your place. Dabbling in this area of law is not something you want to do. You want somebody that's dedicated to it, and that's going to show their level of expertise. The second thing that I would ask them is, how long have they been doing it? Of course, you could have done it a long time, but only done one or two cases like that a year. That's not quite experienced as somebody that does 30 a month. So you need to ask those kinds of questions too. Another thing I would ask is, what kind of staff support are you going to have? Is it just a one horse show where the attorney's the one that gives you all of their attention? That can be good, but that also says something about their level of expertise. Do they file their own applications or do they farm it out? For instance, here I have a staff of 5 that works on the Medicaid team. That's all they do is Medicaid applications all the time. I would never trust my applications to anyone else. We do all them ourselves. So that's another way to test and see what's going on there. You also know by the kind of staff support you're going to get what kind of attention you're going to get. Attorneys are very busy. We would love to be able to answer every call and every email, but it's just not possible. So to get attention when you need it, they need staff support. So ask those kinds of questions. The other thing I would be asking is, what kind of educational resources are available to you through the offering that the law firm is going to provide. And that'll give you a whole lot of insight as to what you are looking for in terms of fit and support, and what the process is going to be like as you go into hiring or even just interviewing a law firm to help you with your case. I hope that helps. Give us a call. We would love to help you.